Do you want to make real money online in 2026 without spending years learning complicated skills? Imagine earning $50, $100, or even more per day from your laptop or phone, starting right now. In this video, I'll show you 5 easy and proven ways for beginners to start earning online today, step by step. So don't skip, because the 5th method is the easiest one, and most people miss it. Hi, I'm Anam, and I've spent the past few years exploring ways to earn online. I've tested dozens of methods, from freelancing to affiliate marketing, and in this video, I'm going to share the most beginner-friendly and realistic ways to make money online in 2026. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home person, or just looking for extra income, these methods are for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear action plan and you can start today, even if you have zero experience. Method 1. Freelancing. Turn your skills into cash. Freelancing is one of the easiest ways to start making money online because companies are constantly looking for skills they need, and you can work from anywhere. How to start? Choose a platform: Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Create a strong profile highlighting your skills, even if they're simple: writing, graphic design, social media management, or even basic data entry. Start applying to small jobs first to build reviews. Example: even if you are a beginner, you can start with small tasks like writing 500-word articles for $10, designing simple graphics, or creating social media posts. Within a few weeks, beginners can easily earn $200 to $500 per month, and with consistent effort, this can grow to $1,000 plus per month. Pro tip: focus on building your portfolio and reviews first, even if you charge low initially. Once you have reviews, you can increase your rates quickly. Method 2. YouTube/Shorts. Share your knowledge or fun content. YouTube is not just for entertainment. You can create videos and earn money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. The best part? You don't even need expensive equipment. Step by step. Pick a niche: gaming, education, tech tips, life hacks, or trending topics. Start with shorts. 15 to 60 seconds videos are easier to make and can go viral fast. Monetize. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can join a YouTube partner program and start earning from ads. Example: many beginners started with simple 1-minute tips or funny shorts and earned $50 to $200 per month in just 2 to 3 months. Imagine creating 5 shorts per week. Your growth will multiply. Lightbulb pro tip: focus on trending topics and solve a problem your audience has. People click when they see value in your content. Method 3. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by promoting products. Affiliate marketing is perfect for beginners because you don't need your own product. You promote someone else's product and you earn a commission for each sale. How to start? Join affiliate programs: Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or local programs in Pakistan/India. Promote products on social media, YouTube, or your blog. Always share your honest review or tutorial to build trust. Example: suppose you promote a course worth $50 and the commission is 30%. For every sale, you earn $15. Sell 10 courses a month, and you've earned $150 without creating any product yourself. Lightbulb pro tip: choose products you know or use yourself. Your audience will trust you, and your sales will increase naturally. Method 4. Selling digital products/courses. Creating digital products is a fantastic way to earn passive income. Once your product is made, it can sell automatically without much effort. Ideas for beginners: ebooks or guides, printable planners, calendars, or templates. Online courses teaching a skill you know. Step by step. Pick your niche. What are you good at or interested in? Create a simple product using Canva, Google Docs, or free tools. Sell on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. Example: A beginner made a simple ebook on study tips for students and earned $500 in the first month. The best part? Once it's created, the same ebook can sell every month with zero extra work. Lightbulb pro tip: focus on solving a specific problem. People pay when they get results, not just information. Method 5. AI tools. Use technology to boost earnings. 2026 is all about AI. AI tools can help you earn faster, even if you have no skills. You can create content, designs, or even generate business ideas with AI. Top AI tools to start: ChatGPT, content writing, scripts, ideas. Canva AI, create graphics, social media posts, YouTube thumbnails. Midjourney/Dolly, generate art or designs to sell. Example: you can use AI to create ebooks, social media content, or freelance designs in minutes instead of hours. Beginners are using AI to charge $10 to $50 per task while saving time.
Gloeilamp pro tip.
Combine AI with freelancing or affiliate marketing. For example, create AI-generated content and sell it as a service on Fiverr. Extra tips for beginners. Start small. Don't try all 5 methods at once. Pick 1 or 2 and master them. Be consistent. Online income grows with effort over time. Avoid scams. Never pay for get-rich-quick schemes. Focus on real, proven methods. Track results. Use spreadsheets or free apps to monitor your earnings and progress. If you want to start making money online in 2026, pick one method today and take action. Don't wait for the perfect time, because it's already here. Hit the like button if you found this helpful, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and comment below which method you'll try first. Remember, your first $100 online is just the beginning. Your real growth starts when you take action.